Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 20 of HackerRank SQL challenges, which is employee names. So write a query that prints a list of employee names, that is the name attribute from the employee table in alphabetical order. So we have to extract all the employee names in alphabetical order from this employee table. So in this table, we have four columns: employee id, name, months and salary, and we have to extract the employee name by alphabetical order. So we will write select name from employee table, employee, select name from employee, and we have to order it by ascending. So the default is ascending, so we do not need to write ascending order. And now let's try to run the code. No, we have to write the name, order by name. So we want to order by name ascending. Now let's again click on this run code, and here we can see that our answer is right. And thank you for watching this video. We can click on this submit code button then.